Welcome back to our channel, the place where public cameras protect public rights, and every encounter exposes the truth. Today's footage is brought to you by Reggie Photo, link below, so make sure you show them some support. Watch till the end, and hit subscribe for more real-world encounters, raw reactions, and clear legal breakdowns.
So guys, on this miserable summer's day, we're in Cracky Gardens, and they've had to colour that statue up. Erected by the public subscription. Bloody hell, eh? It's a state round here. Absolute state, but yeah, I've not come here for anything specific today because of the weather. Audio is probably going to be shocking. I've got a medium mod for the GoPro 12, but I'm not keen on it, to be fair. A couple of my earlier videos with it on, sound weren't great at all. So anyway, we'll have a wander around Manchester to see what we can see. There's always something in there, guys.
The video opens casually, with public filming in an open space that immediately establishes a lawful presence. Nothing here suggests intent beyond observation. This calm baseline is important because it highlights how quickly routine filming can attract scrutiny. Public space, no restriction, no issue, at least for now.
I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Why can't you hear me?
Sorry?
Can you hear me now talking, can't you?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay. Why are you taking photographs of the actual building, etc.?
Sorry?
Why are you taking photographs on the other side of the road and here in generally?
Oh, you can do this, like.
Sorry, say again, buddy?
I can't hear you, what do you say?
But you hear me when I talk to you?
Yes?
So you can hear me now? Yeah?
Yes?
Okay. So why are you taking photographs?
An initial challenge emerges, driven more by curiosity and authority than any clear legal threshold. The tension builds around the act of filming itself, despite it being openly visible and lawful. This moment reflects a common misunderstanding of public photography rights. No reasonable suspicion is clearly articulated at this stage.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Okay. Why photographs?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Okay, you can hear me. The cameras are watching you.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. So I'll write it down.
Ah.
No problem. Everyone, okay?
No, pal. Where are you from?
I can't hear you.
You can read, yes?
Yes.
So you can hear me then, say that to you.
Yes.
So you can hear me.
I can't hear you though.
Got you there, man. I got you black and blue there.
What? What's the problem?
Communication begins to break down, escalating frustration on both sides. The encounter risks drifting into implied compliance without legal grounding. In UK contexts, questioning like this can border on informal stop-in account without invoking proper legal authority. The power imbalance becomes noticeable.
Grab me, bugger.
What?
Right, okay, say question.
Well,
why are you taking photographs?
oh, just hobby.
Hobby?
How you doing, mate? Ah, good. Just hobby, you know.
That's alright.
Yeah,
mate.
no security risk rate like that, like you said
Say again,
before.
sorry?
No security risk rate like that.
Do you work for a company or is it just your own hobby?
Hobby, yes.
You're going to lie again, aren't you?
I can't hear you.
Yeah, I know. You can read though. I said, can you read when that's
Have a nice day, guys.
Right, if you've got any data regarding security aspects,
No, we haven't. No, basically.
make sure it's destroyed.
Anything like, it's obviously your cameras, everybody knows where they are, you know, like you said, I'm on your camera now. There's nothing security wise, yeah.
We're on your camera as well, aren't we?
You're on it, aren't you?
I know
Do you know why? Because someone's been here, hasn't they?
Yeah, the bank.
So you got a right to be
Well, 22 years
security conscious, but
22 years in the forces,
No.
6 tours a mile, all that sort of stuff.
I know.
We're obviously conscious of what situation.
The situation softens slightly as intentions are clarified, but the earlier pressure lingers. Authority figures appear to reassess their approach once no threat narrative holds up. This moment shows how transparency often diffuses escalation. Public rights remain intact, though quietly tested.
Yeah.
Mainly not just for ourselves, but
Yeah.
for the public.
But
That's the main part of it.
what I'm saying is, like, just pictures in general and personal hobbies, it's
No, it's
right in the open.
I don't have any objection.
No, but some people, they get challenged for doing this, you know.
That's why I just asked you.
But you guys are sweet. Hey, we had a laugh.
Have a good Christmas.
Christmas? Take it easy, guys, yeah? What do you say? I can't hear you. Take care, guys, yeah? Sorry, my friend. I can't hear you. Oh, it's something.
The interaction closes without enforcement, reinforcing that no legal basis existed to restrict filming. This outcome underlines how many public challenges rely on assumption rather than statute. It's a subtle win for lawful behavior, even if unspoken. The camera keeps rolling, accountability preserved.
Can't even go in. Got my bike with me. Look at this, what I'm eating. Samosa and a kebab. What's he done? What's he done like? Oh, where? What's in the bag? Let's have a look. What's in the bag?
Attention shifts as unrelated activity unfolds nearby, drawing a contrast between observation and intervention. The camera documents without interference, reinforcing the passive role of the filmer. This distinction matters legally. Observation is not obstruction. The environment grows more unpredictable.
Well, here we go. Something's happening, guys. Blue lights. Blue lights here in Manchester. What the hell is going on, guys?
Police presence intensifies with visible urgency, changing the tone of the scene. Authority is now exercised more clearly, but still within visible procedural bounds. This is where lawful powers could apply if thresholds are met. The viewer senses escalation without direct confrontation.
Alright, Paul, how are you? You alright? What are we on with today? Road Wars! How are you?
Streets are quiet, dark and gray. Gardens hide in secret sway. Blue lights flash across the night. Cops on hunt for wrong and right. Whispers in the
Officers engage elsewhere while the camera remains unobtrusive. This separation demonstrates that filming alone does not interfere with police duties. It also highlights how public accountability can coexist with enforcement. No attempt is made to suppress recording.
alleyways, cracky gardens, hideaways. Shadows move in silent dance. No one's taking any chance. Guarded patrol keep rolling on, search until the break of dawn. Cracky dreams and secrets fade, while the blue takes on the trade. Hustlers hide in garden deep, secrets that they never keep. Rows of green and shadows tall, police knocking on.
I like that, Constable. You didn't have to tell him about a copy of his search, and you did. You did all that by the book, didn't you? You didn't have to tell him about the copy of the search. No, but no, what I'm saying is, because he doesn't understand, because he doesn't speak English. Really, you could have just, but you did the right thing there, innit? Hey, top man. Cheers, bud. It's quieter now, isn't it, around here? I was looking for madness, like, and it's gone quieter.
A discussion reflects procedural correctness, including respect for individual rights. This moment stands out as an example of policing done by the book. In contrast to earlier suspicion, lawful conduct is acknowledged. It's a reminder that authority and rights don't have to clash.
Yeah. Where's Turbo? Oh, you don't?
I don't know, maybe a bit later on might be better.
He'll give us
for
some content, won't he?
you. You are?
Take care, guys, yeah? But yeah, spot on that. Could have. That's when they need commending, guys, when they're doing. They didn't abuse the foreigner's rights there. He couldn't speak a word of English. And they didn't abuse his rights. Didn't handcuff him and nothing. You know, so spot on that, really.
You go home and go sleep, and you leave the guys in prison to suffer. Do you know?
We go into prison. We go into prisons. Have you read this book? Is it like This Is Our Friend?
Yeah, go on then. Cheers.
Reflection sets in as the atmosphere calms and order is restored. The filmer contextualizes the encounter, recognizing restraint where it's due. This reinforces balanced commentary. Not every police interaction is misconduct. Accountability cuts both ways.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, or you're born again.
Poison never now. Would you like your rescue? Are you a coward?
rescuing them. Just stand there and we'll sing you another song.
Yes, they're there.
Of rescue.
Because they're there, yeah? Are you going to go? That's it.
No, Jesus had gone there to rescue them.
Yeah, I know.
He did it. He paid the
That's
price.
what I'm doing right now.
He paid the price there to rescue us from our sin.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Right? The boys are alive. And they're alive. And me. Ignore that. And me. Ignore that. Those boys are there. Every prison. Everywhere around the country. Don't line up behind me. Yeah, my Jesus is slow. Right? You need some biscuits or something. Let me give you that.
The final stretch captures public unpredictability without escalation from authorities. Officers maintain distance and control, avoiding unnecessary force. This restraint aligns with proportional response principles. The camera documents without provocation to the end.